everyone, I'm Jess and I'm the beauty director at Vogue.
Hi, I'm Lauren and I'm the beauty editor at Vogue, and we've been presented with Feelunique's big bowl of beauty questions. So without further ado, do you want to go first?
Yes, I'm so nervous. Okay. When did you start wearing makeup? I don't know the answer to this.
No, I don't. I think it was around when the Spice Girls came out, because I was obsessed with Victoria Beckham.
Yeah,
and
you still are.
I still am.
Yeah.
So, oh God, I don't know. 16? 17? That's quite late.
Yeah, but that's not a bad thing.
No, I don't think I wasn't allowed to wear it at school. So
Yeah.
I think, and also I was really into my sports.
Tomboy.
So, yeah. So it wasn't very conducive to the activities I took part in.
Okay.
Yeah. What is your favourite lipstick?
Oh my God, such a hard question. How much time do you have? Okay, so it does differ for mood and time of year and all of that, yada, yada, yada. But the Estee Lauder Pure Colour Lip Envy is the most unbelievable texture and really good pigments. So I'm going to go with that.
So any shade?
Any shade, whether it's nude or red.
It's your go-to?
That's my answer.
Great.
Okay.
Make it
I feel like we need some music.
Oh.
What does beauty without boundaries mean to you?
Beauty without boundaries means having fun. That's what makeup is about for me, and it's inclusive for everyone because makeup and beauty are without boundaries.
Next.
You ready? Oh, it's all about lipstick. Red lip or nude lip?
Red every time. Red, 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 red. The best bit of beauty advice you've ever been given and who by?
Oh my goodness. That's really hard.
The cogs are whirring.
I can't
Let's think. On a shoot, makeup, any hair tips.
So I don't know who it was, but someone said to me, it was before I got married actually, someone said, don't wear makeup a week before your wedding, so that when you walk down the aisle, your husband-to-be will see you in a sort of almost different way.
Yeah, love it.
So I did that. Okay. Worst beauty trend?
Oh, do you know what? Actually, I can answer this really. Anything to do with glitter. So I have a real aversion to the stuff. I can appreciate it from afar and like shimmer and metallic, gorgeous, but I'm really not into glitter brows or, you know, the glitter in the centre parting. Like, how do you ever wash that out? It must just be in your scalp till the end of time. So for me, that is a trend that I will not be adopting.
And also, I'm just going to add to that, unicorn snot.
Oh, no.
Don't like that.
No, just say no. Okay. Right. Oh, this is fun. I love this. What's your go-to spa treatment?
Massage, body massage, every time.
Yeah. What kind? Firm pressure, light pressure?
Firm.
Hot stones, oils.
Wow,
Sorry, I'm going.
Hands, firm, like a sports massage type of treatment.
Great.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Bronzer or blusher?
What? No, I can't choose. Why should you have to choose?
Well,
I think both.
This is what the big beauty bowl is about.
This is just really difficult. Okay, well, I'm going to have to say bronzer if I have to choose one, but I'm really not happy about it.
Well, you could sort of use your bronzer as a blusher.
No, because they're distinctly different, and that is why you need both in your life. But if I'm going to be forced to choose one, I'm going to have to say, bronzer, but I'm just not happy about it.
Sorry.
Okay, right. I'm just going to give you a tough question.
Oh, make it nice.
Name your favourite beauty salon.
Oh,
I know the answer to this one for you.
Yes, Dry By, because I'm a nail obsessive.
Yes.
If you could only have 3 bits of makeup in your kit, what would they be?
Oh my God, these questions are so hard because clearly I'm never going to only have 3 bits of makeup. Well, I think it would just go back to that sort of handbag essential vibe. It's going to be a concealer,
yes.
It's going to be a bronzer, and it's going to be a blusher. because in that scenario,
I see.
I want to have both.
Okay, fair enough.
Thanks. What's your favourite skincare brand?
That's like choosing your favourite child.
I know. It's such a difficult question.
It depends, I think, on what my skin's doing at that time.
Yeah.
I can't say.
Okay, fine.
You're having a pampering session. What do you do?
At home? Okay, so normally it involves soak in the bath, some nice sort of aromatherapy oils just to kind of relax and unwind, maybe a candle burning.
So fancy.
Yeah, well, I don't get to do it that often, so I feel like when I do it, just go all out.
Yeah.
Then face mask is a prerequisite.
Sheet mask or pot of?
Well, in the bath, I like to do a cream mask, so the heat can sort of activate the ingredients, but then I'm quite known to then follow up with a sheet mask once I'm out the bath. But I think just, for me, pampering is just having a bit of me time and a bit of quiet away from babies and that sort of thing. So just having a bit of downtime to myself, maybe sort of reading a book in the bath and having a bit of indulgence. That's my me time.
Great.
Okay. I want to really pick a good one. What's your favourite beauty look?
A more elevated version of myself.
Yeah.
So quite natural.
Yeah, me too.
Trying to give myself the skin I really want. Oh, this is a good one. Who is your beauty icon?
Oh my god. I mean, so many. I mean, it kind of depends. Can I have a few? Please. Thanks.
Okay.
So I kind of love Bridget Bardot and everything that she stood for.
Yes.
That kind of 60s ethos of beauty, of the kind of bouffant hair and the winged eyeliner and loads of mascara. I feel like it's just always timeless. But then bring that into the modern day, and for me it's 100% Kate Moss. I feel like she is our modern day icon. Everything that she does, she just looks effortless when she has no makeup, but then with loads of makeup on it, she's completely transformed into this kind of star, and I just love how versatile she is as a beauty face.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Great answers.
Yeah, love that. Oh my god, this is such a good question.
No.
Would you rather go without makeup or without your phone?
My phone.
Yeah.
And that is the truth.
Yeah. I mean, I'm right there with you. It's such a good question.
Oh, if you were buying a beauty gift for someone, what would you buy?
Oh, it's a candle.
Yeah.
I think you just can't go wrong, and you
Everyone
can
loves
never
a
have
candle.
too many candles in your life, whereas I think to buy skincare or anything makeup is a bit more prescriptive and you might get it wrong, whereas with a candle it's just a bit foolproof.
Yeah.
Come on, big bowl. Oh, do you use makeup tools or your fingers?
Fingers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm more of a brush
Well,
person myself.
actually, a bit of both.
No, you have to choose one or the other.
If I had to choose, it would be fingers.
Yeah, me too.
What is your daily skincare regime?
Okay, so if we were to do it in a nutshell, it is
You wake up in the morning.
wake up in the
what's first thing
morning,
you do?
wash my face with cleanser, but I like to double cleanse. So I will,
Even in the morning?
Yep.
Okay.
Wash with a cleanser, then I use a micellar water as the double cleanse. Then I will use a hyaluronic acid serum. I will then use a sort of antioxidant anti-pollution serum, then my moisturizer, then an SPF, and then my makeup.
Okay.
But that's the condensed version. It's
Right.
probably a bit more extensive in real time. Okay, so there we have it. All of our big beauty questions answered. It was actually really difficult.
It's really hard.
I feel like our brains have been very taxed, but thank you very much, Feelunique. Those were very good burning questions.